Hey y'all, welcome back to another MeekFro video. I am MeekFro, also known as Mykel. If you really know me, mykeltrent. Okay.
Love me longer, hold me tighter. Mama told me I'm a fighter, but I see you creeping on me, and these thoughts are all below me. Love me longer, hold me tighter.
But before you get bored with me doing all this talking, you might want to watch the whole video because I will be announcing a giveaway. I will be announcing a trip giveaway. 2 tickets will be given away, 2 round trip tickets. Okay. Today we are talking about the Black Love Box. As you can see, take a good look at it. It is Black History Month. On top of that, it is the month of love. So that's what brings us to the Black Love Box, okay? BLACKLOVEDAY.com. So as you can see, here's my Black Love Box. What's so special about this box? It's a subscription box, of course. You know, when you subscribe to certain companies, they have the boxes and the products and stuff. When you subscribe to them, you get an X amount of products monthly, okay? But that's pretty much what this is here. So when you order, you get some products in the box. And what's special about this, all products that come in the Black Love Box are Black owned businesses. Can you believe that? So we are going to do an unboxing. So here we are. Wait, on the back here it says, why subscribe? 100% Black owned products, monthly subscription, curated with love to strengthen and enhance Black couple relationships. www.blackcouplebox.com. Didn't see that before. So what we have here, look how cute. It's not just an old box. Look at that. And look, you have the little styrofoam hearts in here. So cute. So our first product, it is called Threesome Chocolate. Y'all, this is Henny dip. So this sauce is made out of Hennessy. As you can see, it has the alcohol percentage at the bottom. It says 5%. May contain 5% alcohol. So you can put this on your strawberries, your desserts, or you know, whatever, okay? There's your nutritional facts on the back and your ingredients here. This is a gluten-free product. Ooh, this chocolate looks like. It smells amazing. As you can see, it's basically caramel. These would be so good on strawberries, y'all. Ooh, y'all know I like stuff like this. This is a deep detox bath. It has some herbs in it. Look how that looks. Good Night Darling Company. Good Night Darling Co. It smells so good. I can smell it through the package. Resealable. So once you pull that off, yeah, it's vegan product, cruelty free. That's me. Last but not least, what came outside of the box, which is technically a part of the box, is another Black owned item by Kandi Burruss. Y'all might know her from Real Housewives. She has a line out, luxury pleasure line, I believe. So this is called Bedroom Candy by Kandi Burruss. Hold On To Me, that's the name of the product. Basically to strengthen your PC muscles, which are the muscles in that area down there. Improve your hold on your partner during intercourse. Experience stronger, more intense orgasms. Aid in pregnancy, childbirth, and recovery. Increase vaginal lubrication and bladder control. So yeah, I'm opening this up. Okay, got her open. So inside, of course, you have a pamphlet, little information about what you're receiving inside of the bedroom candy package. Here are the Kegels. These basically go inside of your vajayjay. There's a satin pouch in here. I guess a privacy pouch, so no one will actually know what's being, you know. Then there's a silicone holder that you have to use for each Kegel. So this Kegel pops out. Okay, I'm not gonna try to do that right now, but the Kegel pops out. They're basically like weights to improve your muscle down there. So, let's see. They have another silicone holder here. Oh, this one's heavy. What? So these go inside of your vagina. That is... So it's not just for, you know, strengthening up for sex. I mean, there's other benefits, health and wellness benefits from using this. But that is it, you guys. That is all that was in my black couple box. Now let's talk about the giveaway that they have going on. So as I've said, the Black Couple Box is a monthly subscription box celebrating Black love relationships. Our boxes introduce subscribers to 4 to 6 products per month from Black owned businesses. Products featured are curated to enhance love, romance, sex, fun, creativity, passion, and further strengthen the bonds of communication, trust, and fidelity. Celebrate Black love with us. Try our introductory box today. So, you guys, if you made it thus far in the video, we are talking about their giveaway, aka Getaway. Win a Hawaiian getaway. That's where you guys will be sent to. Okay, Black Couple subscription box giveaway. The Black Couple box will provide 2 round-trip tickets for a Hawaiian vacation getaway to one of our first-time customers. Winners will be announced March 1st. You have to be a customer. So, I would just recommend you buy the Black Love Box. It's just $35, okay? Buy the Black Love Box. Of course, on your order, you get free shipping before February 13, 2019. So you might want to get going with that. Order your box and you will be entered in for 2 round-trip tickets to the Hawaiian getaway. I'm basically showing you right here on this website. This is their website. Showing you where you can find more information on the contest. There it is, win a Hawaiian getaway. The only thing you have to do is be a first-time customer. Thanks guys so much for watching. Thumbs up this video for me, please. See you guys in the next one. Bye.